Everyone, today in this video we will share multiple budget tips for a vacation in Dubrovnik. You know that Dubrovnik is a very nice city, but it's an expensive destination. So watch our video till the end, check all our tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to share your feedback in the comments. Thank you.
Tip number one, try to find free or at least a cheap parking in Dubrovnik. The topic of parking in Dubrovnik is very stressful for locals and same for tourists. For two reasons. First of all, 1 hour parking in Dubrovnik starts from €3 and can reach €10 if you are close to the old town. Second, the lots of parking are very limited because 80% of this parking are dedicated only for locals. So tourists can have only like 20% to try to park there. And if you want to find some tricks how to find cheap or free parking in Dubrovnik, you can check the link of our video in the video description. Watch it till the end and enjoy all our tricks. Tip number two, avoid booking your accommodation inside the old town for multiple reasons. First of all, prices are very high there. Second, the rooms are very tiny. It's only few square meters and you will not feel that you are comfortable in these accommodations. Third, it's gonna be very noisy if you are close to the bars, to the restaurant, to the heart of the old town. Point number four, you don't have any place to put your clothes if you will be washing from time to time. And last point, for sure, accommodation inside Old Town is never with any option of parking, free or even a cheap one. Tip number three, don't buy any more bottle of waters in Dubrovnik. You can use the tap water. It's very clean and believe me, you will save a lot. You need like 7 to €10 per day just water if it will be during the peak summer because it's very warm and humid there. Go green, don't buy bottles of water and enjoy the great tap water of Dubrovnik city.
Tip number 4. Try to skip the car cable. Dubrovnik car cable is one of the interesting things that you can do there. But as per my own experience, it wasn't something really impressive, other than just having a short video or few photos for Dubrovnik, but with a nice view from the top to be realistic. Or the round trip, it costs €27 per person, and the whole way takes like 5 to 6 minutes. So, for a couple of you, you will be paying more than €50 just within 5 minutes. Tip number 5. Try few restaurants in Dubrovnik offering 10% discount. As you know, meals in Dubrovnik are quite expensive. A seated lunch or dinner for two persons in a restaurant is never less than 60 or €65 even for just two platters and two drinks. So now we will recommend few restaurants where you can benefit from 10% discount. First restaurant named Moby Dick. It's very nice restaurant with great seafood platters. Location is nice in the old town. Staff are very friendly and in general not expensive. Or there you can get 10% discount on the total bill. But you have to tell a secret code to the waiters. To know that secret code, just contact us to share it with you. Now we will tell about an agreement between three very nice restaurants in Dubrovnik, where you can get also 10% discount if you just visit at least one of them. I tried two of them and I can say that food and service were really nice there. Once you try any of these three, they will give you this card which can let you benefit from 10% discount from the other ones, which can also helpful to save some money. The restaurants are the Bar Panorama on the top of the mountain with a panoramic view to Dubrovnik, Gradska Kavana restaurant on the old port of Dubrovnik, and Cafe Dubravska facing the city walls of Dubrovnik with a nice view from there also.
Tip number 6. Invest in the city card of Dubrovnik. This card will allow you to enter to multiple attractions, multiple museums, multiple excursions that you can do. It can be free, it can be with reduced prices, but don't miss this card because you will save a lot. And if you will take each attraction or museum aside, this will cost you really per day like 50 euro. Enjoy this card and save a lot. And remember, this card usually exists in most of the big cities and the most featured destination in Europe. Try to pay everywhere in Dubrovnik with your card. Exchange rates there are very bad. You can sell your $100 to get only 80 euros, which is really too much. I can recommend a very nice online banking, which you can have a great mid-market rates, and this can save you a lot from your money and you will keep the value. It's wise. I use it everywhere in my trips. These cards can have multiple currencies and you will get the online exchange rates, which is much better from any local exchange office there. You can find in the video description the link where you can register. Believe me, register and you will enjoy it and you will see how much you will save during your trips. Dubrovnik Old Town is rich and famous with its history since hundreds of years. So having a great and full walking tour inside the Old Town is a must. But avoid booking any private tours there. You can enjoy the freetour.com tours. They are very great and talented guides and it's tips based. You can give them tips based on your satisfaction, but booking any private tour there gonna be very expensive. And believe me, you will enjoy a lot these walking tours with the guys there. I tried them like 7 or 8 times in different capitals and cities in Europe, and I never was unsatisfied. You can check the link in the video description to book your tours in advance because there are always some limited seats. We hope that you will enjoy our tips and you will use them when you will visit Dubrovnik. Dubrovnik is a very nice city and now it's one of the most featured destinations in Europe, but you have to care. It's a little bit an expensive destination, so following our tips is really important to save your money and to use them for some other excursion and to have great value for your trip. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to share your comments and feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you.